So typically your hail is going to damage your roof and the things on your roof called accessories. The vents, the pipes. It's also going to damage your gutters, can damage your siding, can damage your windows and air conditioning coils, your landscape, your fence, and your deck. People put it off, and then what happens if they don't get it done in time, insurance won't cover it, or they think the hail damage was insignificant because by the time they see it, the hail is melted. One of the most common things missed when there's a hailstorm is the hail itself, because often homeowners are asleep or not at home when it hails, and then the evidence of the hail, the ice, is all melted and gone, and the most significant damage is actually on their roof, and homeowners don't typically climb on their roofs, and they don't see that, so they don't notice it, so it gets ignored, and then before you know it, your shingle is deteriorated and leaks occur, and then water gets into your house causing mold and drywall damage, floor damage, and all of these other things. So it's best anytime you hear of hail or you see signs or roofers in your neighborhood, go ahead and get your roof checked out as well.